Today I'm going to show you how to make a summer fruits crumble. For the filling you will need 50 grams of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of plain flour and 750 grams of summer fruits or berries. So this is a very mix and match recipe, so you kind of use whatever fruits you've got. I personally used 150 grams of strawberries, 200 grams of redcurrants, 200 grams of blackcurrants and 200 grams of blueberries. If you don't have those or you can't get a hold of those, don't worry, you could use raspberries, you could use cherries, anything like that. You know, you kind of use what you can get a hold of. I also use frozen fruits because I find it makes no difference, but if you have fresh, they'll work just as well. But don't worry about like going out and buying fresh berries. You can just buy frozen ones if that's all you can get. Firstly, add all your berries into a bowl. Add your sugar and your flour and give it a really good mix until it is completely coated. Then, using an oven-proof dish, mine was 26 centimetres by 18 centimetres, you just want to add your fruit mix. And just give it a push down with the back of your spoon. This should help stop the crumble falling through. And then for the crumble mix you will need 100 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of oats, 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of caster sugar. In your bowl, to your flour add your oats and your caster sugar and give a really good stir until it's all really well combined. And then add your butter, having cubed it before, and I also do this with butter at room temperature because it just makes it easier to press in. And then using the tips of your fingertips, you just want to press your butter into your flour oat mixture. And just keep pressing it until it resembles breadcrumbs. And then pop the crumble mix on top of your fruit mix, just spreading it out so that it's as even as you can get it. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, and bake for 45 to 55 minutes until the top is nice and golden. And there you have it. That's how you make a summer fruits crumble.